Thanks, class, and welcome to Module 3. Across Module 3, we do have two discussion boards that run consecutively. Our focus for Module 3 will be on funding, so you will have the opportunity to explore grant funding options, gain insights into grant writing, and to develop rationales to substantiate funding for evidence-based programming. When we look across Module 3, there will also be resources relative to return on investment and the use of return on investment as a planning tool as well as an evaluation tool. There is information across Module 3 on how to calculate and interpret return on investment. Our focus for the discussion board this first week will be on AHRQ quality indicators as well as return on investment. When we move into the second discussion board, our focus will be on grant funding sites. You will be asked to explore grant requirements for at least one grant. I would ask you to begin to consider how one of the grants could be used to improve outcomes across a practice gap or a gap within your organization. So you will again find links to various grants across Module 3, and there will be information relative to return on investment. Both of these topics will be important as we move into Module 4 and as we move into that final assignment for the course. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me if I can be of any questions or concerns. Thank you so much.